Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will show you how to use OLED with microbit and display temperature and humidity readings on the screen. For this project we will need Reka bit with microbit, Groove OLED and DHT11 sensor. To build the code, we will need OLED and DHT11 extensions to collect temperature and humidity readings and display them on the OLED. With the OLED extension, you can explore different ways to display your data and get creative with your designs. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Stay tuned and see you next time.